Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to sign into Slack on your mobile device using a QR code. First, open Slack on your desktop. Click your workspace name in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Get Mobile App. Slack will display a QR code on your screen. Next, take your mobile phone and open the camera app. Point it at the QR code on your desktop. Your phone will recognize the code and show a link. Tap the link, and it will take you to the download page for the Slack app. If you have an Android device, it will open the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, it will open the App Store. Download and install the Slack app on your mobile device. Once it is installed, open the app. You can then log in using the same account you use on your desktop. The QR code ensures that Slack already knows your workspace information, so you do not need to enter it manually. If you already have the Slack app installed, you can also use this method to join a new workspace quickly. That is how you sign in to Slack on your mobile device using a QR code. Thanks for watching.